Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Nigel over at Holiday Coach and Auto Sales. Today I would like to present to you a 2006 Ford E450. To add to the information on the right of the screen, this coach comes with an automatic transmission, diesel engine, front and rear AC, as well as an electric passenger door. If you are interested in this coach, please feel free to give us a call at 336-808-0320. And while you're at it, please head over to our website at holidaycoachandauto.com to shop our wide selection of Prevost, MCI, Van Hool, and more.